Can this common kitchen ingredient help you lose weight and boost your health? Meet apple cider vinegar, a powerful elixir with incredible health benefits. Apple cider vinegar can help reduce belly fat by increasing metabolism and suppressing appetite. Packed with acetic acid, it helps clear up your skin and gives you a natural glow. Feeling tired? A shot of apple cider vinegar can give you a quick and natural energy boost. But here's the kicker. It also improves digestion and supports a healthy gut. Imagine feeling lighter and healthier every day. Want more health secrets like this? Smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Check the description for more info.